Welcome to Jac Says Smile, where I will be sharing, not a little bit, but absolutely everything that I get up to with you, because nobody puts Jac in a box. Hello guys, and welcome to Top Tip Tuesday. And no, I am not in Kew Gardens, but it was my sister's birthday last week, so there's just loads of flowers in the house. And our now empty pots are now full, and it's actually really nice because it's just so pretty when there's flowers everywhere. So I wasn't going to move them, I'm just going to sit in between them all like the fairy goddess I am. So Top Tip Tuesday. Today I want to talk about something that I've wanted to talk about for quite a while, and it's about why we shouldn't wear makeup when we go to the gym, or a lot of people who watch this are dancers, when you dance. A bit tricky. This is also coming from someone who wore a full face of makeup to college every day and had about like 30 costume changes a day. Like, I was super extra, changed my makeup for different lessons. So I'm a prime suspect for doing it, even though it's not good. But it's kind of the way we are, what we're told to do, really. It's obviously a very superficial industry, the performance industry. I do think it's getting a little bit better, actually, if anything. But yeah, so a lot of the time you are expected at theatre school, dance college, whatever magog you want to call it, to wear a full face of makeup. Like, a lot of the time it is rules. It wasn't in my school, but it is a rule in some schools. I do know that, and personally I just don't agree with it. But yeah, so obviously you're sweating, you're opening up your pores, and you've got all this like cake, and it's just like, whoa, you're eating it up. It's just not good. And when you sweat as well, you're more likely to touch your face, and if you're dancing or you're at the gym and you're touching the floor, gross things, dancing, someone turns, they cut their foot, gross, face. Not cute, guys. It's just not cute. I'm talking quite fast today. But like I said, I am very, very passionate about this, particularly with younger students. So me personally, I don't like my students, like secondary school age, wearing makeup. And I've even had problems in the past with parents not liking that I've expressed that maybe they don't need to wear loads of makeup. And, everyone's entitled and whatever, but just trying to help out and saying, you look fine without it. It's not good, it's not going to help your skin because it's like clogging it up, and we're like sweating and stuff, like, save for the weekend, so we can go to parties or whatever. But yeah, personally, I don't like young people in my dance lessons wearing makeup because it's not good for their skin. And they don't need to because they look fine without it. So what I'm going to do today is just share with you kind of what I started to do when I stopped trying to wear a lot of makeup. And that for me is, I'll just do my brows and mascara because it's not like my skin clogging up my pores, so it just kind of brightens up my eyes, which at first, it took a while to get used to. I was like, where's my foundation? Why do I have eyebrows? This is bizarre. But as anything, you get used to change, and it just brightens up your eyes. And another thing is doing things with your hair. So you're still doing something that makes you feel cute, and because makeup, it does help us feel cute. Like, it doesn't mean, I don't feel good without it, but I feel pretty damn awesome with it because I love makeup, I really do. And I also try really hard not to wear makeup at work when I'm teaching, in solidarity. I don't always, but I do try to, in solidarity, because even though I'm not jumping around like crazy when I teach, if I'm being like, should be wearing makeup, I don't really want to be there with like my full face, even though I love it. So, don't say I don't participate. I try to practice what I preach. So I'm going to do my eyebrows first, literally just with a bit of mascara. I've got my mirror here in front of moi. I usually do my makeup in the bathroom, but I haven't really figured out how to film in the bathroom yet. Not quite mastered that. So this is a full mascara, so this is like a really stupid idea. But I'm just gonna brush upwards with my mascara a little bit. I should have used the emptier one, it's alright. gonna brush it out because it's quite thick. I mean, I've got pretty dark eyebrows anyway, so I don't really mind when I don't do them, but it just, getting ready as well, when you just spend a bit of time getting ready, you feel cute. When we're gonna sweat, guys, we're gonna sweat. So you gotta look after the face. Cute. And also as well, just a little bit of Vaseline on the eyes. You brighten it up. I'm no makeup artist. I am defo J Blogs in this department, but it also just actually wakes me up a little bit in the morning. There you go. I'm awake. Then literally, I'm just gonna do some mascara. And as well, when I put mascara on, when I'm literally just going to work, I don't ever bother to do the like bottom right by the lid, because that's when you're like sweating and it gets all itchy. I just add a bit to the top half of my lashes. And this took me time to get used to, because I like looking like a clown. It's fun, and it is fun, very much fun. And I only say clown because I'm not good at doing makeup. I'm sure you guys is much better. Cute. And the other thing is hair. I personally love doing hair. So I'm just gonna show you some ways I will do my hair. So literally, it just takes no time. So for me, if you know me, I love my bows. You can go check out on my Instagram and see my bow collection in my Instagram TV. Kids are like, do you have JoJo bows? I'm like, absolutely not, very expensive. All my bows are from the pound shop, because I'm a ledge like that. Now literally, just twiddle these up. No time at all. In I go. Then I go one side. Boop. Other side. Boop. It's got little bows in. A little twist. And a little twist. And I just feel cute already. I've spent a bit of time doing my makeup, putting my bows in. And for me as well, it's like the action of it. It's the habit of it. You know, you want to get ready, you want to feel good. Why not add something in that won't clog your skin up? And then obviously, I mean, most people my age don't wear those, but I'm smash. Actually, do you know what? Last Sunday, I was speaking to someone. She must have thought I was crazy, because I was grinning ear to ear, speaking to another adult like myself, and she had bows in. I was chuffed. I felt like I'd found my soulmate. We'll just put in some cute little clips. These are really cute. They're from New Look, and as you know me, I love a bargain and I love to shop in places like Primark. And then I saw someone the other day and they had these, and they're from Primark, and I was absolutely gutted. So just putting something in your hair, just doing your eyes, it lets you feel like you've gotten ready, and you know, you feel special. And that's important as well, because for me personally, a lot of the time when I was dancing, I didn't wear loads of makeup to class because I was like, oh, I feel ugly and things like that. It just helps you feel the part, which is super important as well. But you know, I think when you graduate and you're going to class, you know, you're not doing it every day for like 8-10 hours. So when you wear makeup to class, it's different, because you know, it's not the whole day, or you don't do it every single day necessarily. But when you're in college, sweating, like busting your bottom for like 10 hours a day, in a full face of makeup. And me as well, I used to like reapply it during the day because it comes off. You just put in layers on layers, and you just need to let your skin breathe when you're doing that. So yeah, mix up with your clothes, get dressed up, change things with your hair, but please let your skin breathe. And for all you youngins wearing loads of makeup, your skin is so sensitive, so gentle, so precious. Give it some time, let it breathe. You look amazing as you are. So that is my Top Tip Tuesday. It is, don't wear makeup at the gym or dance, because in the long run, when you want to let your skin breathe, you're gonna have skin problems. So put on some eye makeup, do your brows, or put on some lippy, which I haven't done yet. Put a bit of lip gloss on, a bit of lipstick, and play with your hair, get different grips, get bows. I got my cat ears, which everyone knows I love. Play about, let your skin breathe.